Yun, nakalimutan ko yung pag-get ready with me. Get ready with me. So, tapos na eyeliner na tayo. Ayan. Can you see it? Effort siya. Tapos, naglagyan tayo ng this. This is sunscreen. My goodness, sunscreen. Nilagay ko lang siya dito. Para easy to squeeze. And then, of course, ang ating blush on since 2012. Everbiletta. Liquid. And we're gonna use this Superstay. Ever since. Diba? Ayun, may date na. Kakabili ko lang. Nag-dry na kasi ako. So, let's put it on our lippy. Lippy. Pero parang kayo ko muna. Kasi, 1 hour, we're 1 hour ahead in Vietnam. So, nagkamali ako ng tingin ng oras. Akala ko, mag-8 na. 8 to 8 or 8:30 yung pick-up time. Mamaya sa lobby, papuntang Halong. Tapos, yung tinignan ko pala yung aking tablet, which is 7:30. So, syempre, nagmadali ako. And then, nung chinek ko yung time dito sa phone, 6 o'clock pa lang pala. Akala ko. Well, anyways, see ya in Halong. Parang umiinom lang ng alak. I don't know what to say. Pero sabi sa CK Mart, is it CK Mart? That it's CK Circle. Para siyang 7-Eleven dito. Ano daw to? Mango tea. And yeah, it smells mango naman. Masarap. Nakita mo yung yung dito siya makatulog, parang hihilig siya. Hindi. Meron pala ako nito. Ay! Ang kape! Gusto kong kape! Ba yan? Kamusta ka dyan? Kamusta ang Vietnam? Kamusta ka dyan sa Vietnam?
My fourth year is
Ang layo-layo namin sa isa't isa. Mga one floor. One story.
Ay, ano parang yung apartment tinong to, nandito ka na doon sa...
Yung gano'n na nga yung sitwasyon namin, girl. Di pa kami nag-uusap. Mga isang buwan kami magkita ulit. Ginising niyo ako. Hindi ako ready, oh. I woke up like...
Pagkakaroon ko yung makeup natin. Ano pong una natin nilagay? Ay, ayan. Okay.
So this is from Safe Lady.
Oh, wow. Ano yung face lady?
Alam ko sales lady yan, yung sa store.
Iba.
Iba pala yun. Earlier nag-makeup ka, tapos magdating doon, kitatanan naman tayo. Hulas. Malulusaw tong mukha.
This is for eyebrow, para medyo mag-second yung eyebrow.
Ay, ang taray na.
Kaya nandito na yung itim, ganoon, parang kay Karen.
Naguguluhan na din siya. Nasaan siya punta? Ay, taray.
Tapos biglang lumabas sa likod mo, nakahubad si parang Cesar Montano yan.
Hindi, magulat ka. May ibang lumabas.
Nag-booking ka, ano?
Ako, oo, hindi naman lang sa France lumabas ako kagabi.
Kaya pala hindi siya nakatulog kasi naghihintayan kayo. Kaso inunahan mo siya.
Tapos pili ko habang wala ako, nagdala din.
Ano kayo? Nasalisihan?
Kaya kunwari hindi siya nakatulog, pero yung totoo.
Hindi siya yon. Tinakpan lang niya ng kumot yon. Wala na siya nun. Ano pa rin gagawa na sa narrative doon?
Kasi na siya tagal niya, lumabas.
Powder na ako, girls. This
Powder
is
na
from
daw
Big-
siya. Okay.
Okay. Makeup, get ready with me.
Oo, get ready with you pala to eh.
Shade of Sandpage.
Okay.
Shade of champagne. Ang taray. Oo.
Sandpage.
Ay, sorry. Tan beige pala.
Ah,
Ayan. Just tap it on your forehead. Just like very, very
Ikaw yung
light.
mag-talk.
Ako pala ito. Yeah, very, very light lang po para hindi masyadong madamage yung skin.
Ready na ba kayo?
Ay, ready na kami. Surprise! Ay,
Hubad, may nakakatakot.
wag mo ma-surprise talaga kami.
Bakit ma-surprise kami? Nasaan na siya?
Walang
Mamimili ka ba ako
pagpili.
decide, girl. Mamimili tayo.
Okay,
dahil-
magdadrop ako ng name.
Ang dami kasing pogi dito sa Vietnam, so hirap na siya. Hindi na siya makapag-desisyon. Which is
wala
weird.
kilala na ano.
There are a lot of options. sabi nung tatay ko. Kasi, hindi niya alam kung paano i-drop yung call. Sabi niya, parang tinanong siguro sino daw kasama ko. Sabi niya, yung mga kasama niya. Sabi niya, 3 daw niyang friend. Sabi ko lang 3 friend. Hindi ko naman sinabi kung babae o lalaki. Sabi niya, yung 3 mga babae niyang friend gusto ko sana mag-side ko. Hindi ka sure. Yung 2 po, 3/4.
Isang 3/4 tsaka isang 1/8.
1/8.
Inassume ng tatay mo yun, tapos gusto niya mag-comment
Oo.
ka, pero ayaw, hindi ka na nagsalita.
Kasi nakaganyan na siya sa camera si Papa eh. Hindi niya na sabi, paano to? Nagpapatulong na. Paano na to? I-end na. Paano to?
Pasabihin mo lang ako na mag-end.
Sabi niya, i-end mo na. Sabi nga niya. Ay,
Okay na, chat. Tapos na tayo sa prep.
tayo. Parang naglagay ka ulit. Ano yan? Ilang layer?
Ilang layers na siya?
Kanina, di ba?
7 layer na to.
Ay, 7th layer. Ilan ba? 8? 32 layers? Parang yung 12 layers. para yung 6 layers, yun palang yung malulusaw pagdating mo ng halong. Oo, 12. Kasi per hour yun eh.
Alam mo, hindi na ganyan ka-fresh yung mukha natin.
Ha?
Magpapa 2 layers agad ang lusaw.
Okay. So, 12 layers pala. Hindi na siya tapos siguro. Matapos kaya. So, tapos tayo today? O matapos si Francis sa CR today?
Nag-blower na lang siya.
Ay, wow. May nakakasari kami. Ano yun? Wow. Hair na siya. Bench.
Mamaya ito makita ang finished product.
Tingnan namin yung finished product ko. Picture yourself and then send it to me. So, we will see the before and after. Baka puro before ang mangyari. Ano yung mangyari?
Okay. GRWM. Ay! Hindi ko baka mabasa to. This is gonna be my outfit. I'm not sure yet. Again, I'm contemplating between this yellow green or the white one. Later, I'll show you. Yan. Magulo lang. Ayan. This is Bam. Shein. Nandiyan ko talaga. Oh my gosh. I guess this will do. Where tayo nito? Yan, yung yellow, yung green na yan sa likod. And then my cup. Tapos, tataling ko din yung aking salakot with Vietnam ulit. Yung sundo namin, we're going to Halong. Oh my god, so this is what's hard here. Ang pagtawid! Girl! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, sweet! Ito, tawag na tayo, girl. Oh my god! I can't!
Grabe, ang hirap talagang tumawid dito kapag mag-a-adjust ka talaga. Ganito rin naman sa atin sa Pinas. Pero sa magbabagal sila o kaya hihinto sila somehow para makatawid ka.
Dito, hindi. Talagang dire-diretso sila. Hindi magbabago yung speed nila. Para siyang maze. Kaya matawid ka lang, silang iiwas sa'yo.
Halong will be one of the most busy area for traveling in Vietnam. Actually, Halong will have many cruise and we have almost 500 boats on the Halong Bay. Many boats, right? It will have many people. However, Halong is very beautiful and it's very famous for landscape, beautiful landscape. It's not famous for the beach, snorkeling, crab, prawn, and especially for the oyster. Actually, for the water quality and also the environment in Halong Bay, it's very good for farming the seafood, especially for and living together on the fishing village. And it's like a floating fishing village on the sea. On the sea, the local people, they don't have a school, no hospital. This means that it's not really good for the education and healthcare. And also in the sea, they don't have the fresh water and electric. If they need electric, they have to run it by a generator. And it's very difficult life, not easy. And when the children, when they don't have the chance to go to school on the sea, they only have one choice for the job, the fishing job, like the parent. And this is why the government would like to move them to the mainland here, to give them the better living condition, like give them the land like we see here for farming. And also they send the children go to school for free. And also they give the better healthcare, better support for the health. And when they move to the mainland, The government gives them the land like that. We see that for farming and also sending here many people who are master of farming to teach them how to farming the seafood. And from here nowadays we can see on the sea on that side we can see some of the local house, like the local fish like floating house on the sea. This is the one of the traditional house for the local. They still stay on the house like that because it's convenient for them for farming, for fishing. Anh chị nhìn thấy xa xa kia là nhà nổi, nhà người dân địa phương đấy. Vâng. Người ta ở đây để nuôi trồng hải sản. Thì anh chị nhìn thấy những cái cọc ở đây là những khu người ta nuôi hàu, rất nhiều hàu ở Hạ Long này. Yeah, you know you see there are many stick on the water there. This is like the area they farming the oyster. Oyster here is for food. And you see many stick on the water with many small things in the nets. Yeah, near the water. Today the tide is not that high, so you can see the stick on the water like that for farming oyster for food. But when the tide up, you cannot see it. And at that time, the oyster can be eating something from the tide, bring the food from the sea here. And nearby here we have coal mine, black coal. 50 km more, we have the black coal. 90% of black coal in Vietnam is come from this province. Yeah, the reason why we have so many truck and machine here. Anh chị thấy cái bãi xe ở bên cạnh này. Xe này để dành cho mỏ than ở Quảng Ninh ấy. Vâng. We like refer and visiting the oyster farm area, and when we go there, we been have around 30 minutes to we like to refresh and visiting the pearl farm. After 30 minutes, we will back to the bus and then we will keep going. Yeah, thank you.
Xin chào. Welcome to our Pearl company. Now company. You see the man in the picture over here? He's Kokichi Mikimoto. He's the king of the pearl from Japan. And Japanese pearl is also famous for the high quality. That is the reason why our company choose Japanese technology in our production. And as you know, Halamba has islands in islands, right? Halamba is also a good environment to raise a pearl. We also have the pearl farm in Halamba right now. You can see a lot of activities of the local people in our pearl farm here. And we usually raise 3 kinds of pearl. Usually raise 3 kinds of pearl with a different size and different country like this one. The first one, Akoya oyster. Akoya oyster come from Japan. This one has a small size, but the pearl has many colors. There's 4 colors of the pearl: yellow, white, pink, and gray. And it takes from 2 to 3 years to create a pearl. Their size from 3 to 10 millimeter. The next one, Tahiti oyster. Tahiti oyster come from Tahiti Island in French. This one famous for the black color. Come from luster of the shell here. Tahiti oyster only give 1 color, is the black color. And it takes from 3 to 4 years to create a black pearl. Yeah. So the last one, South oyster. South oyster is the biggest pearl in the world. Their size can reach around 20 millimeter. And there are 2 main colors, golden and white color. This one is the biggest pearl in the world. Yeah. Yeah. And it also takes a long time to create a pearl. 5 to 8 years. Yeah, 5 to 8 years to create a pearl. Everyone, do you know in the nature environment how a pearl is formed? No? So I would like to show you a nature pearl. From a dollar oyster, we take the membrane. Yeah, the membrane. Yeah, we just need the membrane part from a dollar oyster. Then we divide the membrane into the small pieces like this one. We cut the membrane into the small pieces. You see the red ingredient? This one is antibacterial. It keeps the membrane fresh and alive. Yes. And the next step, we open a recipient oyster. This one is Akoya oyster. This can liquid down the water around 5 to 6 hours. We open it around 1 centimeter. Then we put 1 piece of membrane. 1 piece of membrane. Yeah. And 1 core inside the golden part of the oyster body. This one we call the core. We implant to the oyster body, the core. The core. No, it's not stone. It's not plastic as well. So when we put the membrane in the core, we have to be sure that the membrane and the core stick together inside the coconut part. The membrane have the oyster grow up faster and protect the core. Yeah, the membrane will grow up and down perfect. So we make the core domestic. Do you know about core domestic? For your skin, yeah, right? For your skin. Yeah.
Ayan, pagpasok nyo doon, they're gonna give you this wet towel and this soap. Oh my God, ang sarap na. This is the smell of yung bagong laundry na merong Zonrox white. Ang sarap, grabe ang init sa labas. Pilipinas yun. 35 degrees. Pero hottest daw that they have here is oh, diba? Pilipinas. Ayun yung drink check. Pag wala ko, sino usap ka doon, usap ako. Ano maramdam natin yung happy? Pag wala ko happy, kulang. Ano daw kayong handy-dandy pa? Ang ano kasi dito, pagka mag-isa ka, diba yung kay
Gusto kumain kami ng chichirya sa sapi.
wow, nainis.
May natira pa din. Ano na ba?
Ano ka sa iyo yung camera?
Hindi sa inyo na to, konti. Hi! Sige ko natin. Sa inyo na yun. Okay, so update.
Pinaiwan mo. What's that thing? Hi, si Sam. What is that?
Pero kung baka gusto niya ng soda. Pero natin.
Yeah, one coffee for me. One coffee. One coffee.
Sugar pa sa bako.
Milk and sugar, yes.
And
Yes.
milk
Ice.
Milk tea sa milk. Isa with the
Which one mo anong madami?
milk tea.
Lalagyan.
So kami milk tea. Tsaka rin ano sa'yo? Milk tea sa akin. Coffee?
Coffee. I said it.
Coffee. Ikaw daw. China.
Madami yung milk mo.